breaking news.
Anybody who says he knows you made a mistake. I've said it before. They only saw yesterday. They are yet to see tomorrow. Because nobody can take away what grace has given. Where there is no grace, disgrace is inevitable.
A man that cannot be subjugated is a man who has seen the light.
While others are sweating, you cannot sweat. What people struggle to get, you don't struggle to get it. We say it and it will come to pass when Jehovah.
Music by SOP, Jerokeys, UC Smart.
I see your steps meeting an opportunity. You will never miss an opportunity. You will meet the person that has been planted for you. And he shall bring forth the headstone thereof with shoutings, crying, grace, grace.
Christ in me, the hope of glory. I'm greatly graced. I see Jesus.
Listen, if you fight a man with grace, his grace will disgrace you.